Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a collaboration with Two Sides with Rob from Pit Dog BBQ. He's a real great guy and a great cook too, grills real well. Go check out his channel, I'll leave the link below in the description box, as well as the recipe for the two sides I'm making, but I'm looking forward to seeing his sides too. Go check him out, Rob, Pit Dog BBQ. The link is below. Hey y'all. So we got about 1.25 pounds of green beans. What we're gonna do is basically just slice the ends off of them. These are fresh green beans. If you can't find fresh, frozen is fine too. I wouldn't go with canned necessarily, but you can try that as well. So that's all we're gonna do. You can either break the tips off or use a knife like I'm using. All right, we're gonna get started on our green beans. So these have been washed and trimmed. All the ends trimmed. That's about 1.25 pounds of green beans. This is a full yellow onion. This is a small one, so we're looking about half a cup of onion. Add more if you like. And what we're gonna do now is cut our potatoes in half. So I want to half these potatoes. This is kind of a fancy medley of potatoes. You can use just regular red potatoes if you'd like. We're gonna cut them in half. Put them in a bowl. Once again, this is a real simple mixture I make all the time. Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne. And I think there's a little bit of paprika in there too. All we're gonna do, toss a little bit of this in. Maybe a little bit. Some olive oil. That's probably about a couple glugs worth. Maybe about 3 tablespoons, something like that. My onion. So I got these big old onions. These are sweet yellows. They were on sale, 99 cents a pound. You can do this with red onion. Well, I don't know if I'd recommend red onions, but white onions, or you just plain old yellow onions. But what we're looking to do here, and you can use either a knife or a spoon. I've already sliced this one up, sliced the ends off. I left the bottom a little bit, just to kind of keep it together. And what we're gonna do is just take a spoon. You can use a paring knife or a spoon, and just kind of push it in there and core it. What we're looking to do is enough space for the jalapeno. Our onion's cored, so what we're gonna do is put a little butter on there. Put a bit more butter, both on the bottom of the foil, because that'll melt in. Maybe around the onion, and then also in the onion. So I'll put some butter on this. Jalapenos cut up. I seeded it. What I'm gonna do is put it inside here. First, we're gonna stuff it with a little bit of cream cheese. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're good. That butter should be fine. So your jalapeno goes straight in there. This one we might have to cut down a little bit more. Bacon's coming up next. So let's just stuff that guy. Make sure it's nice and good. Use some Cajun spice on the outside. What we have left, the very last step, center cut bacon. So we're gonna wrap that around, just like so, and then seal up the foil. There's one piece, and two. This is a thin little onion, so it's a little bit challenging, but that's the general idea. So our onion should be sealed, and we're good to go. So we'll wrap it up and pull and put her out on the grill. Looking good. It's time to fire up the old smoky. So I'll put a couple of pecan chunks down on the bottom. I got our ashes going. I'm gonna put them on one side for now. I might have to add some more later. Bottom vent's about half open. Top end, I'm gonna leave full open for a while. I think I actually will put down some more coals. It's plenty hot outside. I'll put down some more coals in a bit. And there we have it. Old smoky about ready for everything else. Boom. Oh man. Oh buddy, that's looking good. And it is hot out here. Looking good, looking good. That sound. There's nothing like the sound of sizzling bacon. Delicious. We got potatoes on the cool side. Still have our onions on there. Coals are looking good. It smells pretty good, but I might add some more coals in a second or two. That's not bad. So the way I'm checking for done here, just poke them a little bit. See if they're soft and tender. Don't care too much about the temperature. We just want them kind of soft, tender, and well baked. Same thing with the onions. Oh, that is butter. Everything's ready to come off. Good job, old smoky. Hey y'all, so we're back in the kitchen. We got our bacon cut up, taken off the grill. I threw in the onion. We're just trying to heat it up to get it translucent. I put in the green beans. Stirring it up. And there goes some homemade broth. That's chicken broth. You can use store-bought broth. You can use vegetable broth, beef broth, whatever you want. You can't see it, and that's Cajun spice. So I'm adding some more Cajun spice to this. There goes the bacon. It's going on in. That's smoky goodness right there. Next up, we got Worcestershire. So we got about 2-3 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Add that. I like it because it brings out the smoky flavor to the bacon. Stir it up. Let it sit. Let it come to a boil. And let it sit for about, I'll let this sit for about half an hour. So here we are for the final taste test. I went ahead and added some hot sauce on mine because I do like hot sauce. But you get that smoky flavor from the bacon and the potatoes that have been grilled with pecan. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Delicious. That's so good. We've got our onion. I went ahead and added some more cheese on top, cheddar cheese. Look at our onion. It's super tender. All you need to do is slice into it. I actually like it on a piece of bread. I'm gonna go ahead and try some of that too. We got our jalapeno inside there. The onion, as you can see, is falling apart and crazy tender. Bacon's fantastic. That cream cheese come through. I hope you enjoyed.